In this video, I am going to talk about what is BSc Zoology course, eligibility for BSc Zoology, who should opt, what after BSc Zoology and job opportunities. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel before starting the video. What is BSc Zoology? BSc Zoology or Bachelor of Science in Zoology is an undergraduate zoology course. Zoology is one of the most popular branches of science that involves the study of animals and their biological processes. The syllabus is divided into 6 semesters. Here, students have to study basic topics like animal anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, genetics, evolution, social and ecological behavior, conservation and classification of animals. Eligibility criteria for BSc Zoology. The minimum eligibility of admissions in BSc in Zoology is Class 12 pass in Science stream with at least 50% aggregate marks. Candidates must have studied physics, chemistry, and biology in Class 12. Some institutes or universities may conduct entrance exams for the same. Who should opt for BSc Zoology course? Those who are interested and are curious about animal kingdom and wants to explore more in this field, those who want to go for further studies or research, those who have project management and presentation skills and also the ability to work both independently and as a part of a team, those who have good analytical, data handling and written communication skills and can conduct detailed work precisely with an ability to plan research, analyze and interpret the data and write reports and practical skills. Those who can conduct on-field as well as laboratory research. What after BSc Zoology? Zoology graduates can opt for PhD in zoology after completing their post-graduation. Zoology itself is divided into many branches, thus giving opportunities to specialize or research into many of branches like herpetology, ornithology, mammalogy, marine biology, biomedical science, ecology and evolutionary biology, animal behavior, neurobiology, etc. One can also appear for UPSC or state level public commission exams or civil service examinations. The student can also pursue higher education in mass communication and build a career in multimedia industry. There is a constant need for zoologists for research and documentaries. They can prepare themselves to get a job in the National Geographic Channel, Animal Planet, Discovery, or any other such channels. Job opportunities after BSc Zoology. One can apply for Zoology faculty member, clinical business associate, online tutor, biology teacher for lower classes. For teaching sectors, a B.Ed exam is mandatory. Research associate, nutrition specialist, medical representative. Other job titles includes zookeeper, animal caretaker, veterinary technologist and technician, environmental consultant, technical writer, research and laboratory technician. But due to the increase in competitions nowadays, job opportunities are less as compared to those after post-graduation. Therefore, one must at least complete post-graduation before applying for any job.